Hello, how are you? I'm really okay. Do you remember the answers to the how are you question? How are you? I'm okay. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm wonderful. Okay. Today we're going to talk about what? Hmm, animals, farm animals. So here we have a farm. This is a farm. Then we have a cow and a chick and a horse and a sheep. These animals live in the farm. Which is your favorite animal? What animal do you like? I like horses. What do you like? I like cows. What do you like? I like chicks. What do you like? I like sheep. And what do you like? I like pigs. Pigs. Okay, now let's listen to the Old MacDonald song. Listen to the animals' names and to the animals' sounds. Let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oof oof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a oof oof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Cats. McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With an A-name here and an A-name there, here an A, here an A, here an A, and McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, very good. So this was our Old MacDonald farm animal song, and these are the animals we had in the song. So we had a horse, neigh. Then we had a cow, moo. A chick, beep, 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 or a duck, quack, 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 and a pig, and a sheep, and then we had a dog, woof, 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 and a cat, meow. So let's go with farm animals now. Okay, ask your mommy and daddy, which is your favorite farm animal? Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.